Right, hi guys, I've literally just got home. Boys have run through. Just got to lock the car, hang on. That one. Yeah, car's locked. See how dark it is outside already. Time now is, it's 10 to 7. Gosh, it's a little bit later than I thought, so it stayed lighter than I thought it would. Right, let me shut the curtains. The boys want a chew, that's why they've run through. They've run into the kitchen, they want one of their dental sticks. And there's one. Here comes Snoopy to come to see what I'm up to. Hang on, I'm coming. I can hear you. He's just gone out again. Right, let's go find my boys. Right, I'm in. Where are you guys? Oh, do you boys want a dental stick? Do you want your dental stick? Oh, guys. Right, hang on then. There we go. Right, I'll just extend the selfie stick. There we go. And there. Right, you should see my two boys waiting patiently. Or impatiently. Hang on. Right, okay. Right, nicely. Look at me. Good boy. Sooty, nicely. Good boys. Right, boys have got their dental sticks. Right, I'll get the kettle on. I can get the boys fed. Right, kettle's on. It shouldn't take too long. I did boil it when I first got home, knowing that I'd be doing it now. Oh, guys, that's windy out there. It's got really windy. I've got to keep this on because I've got my workshop on shirt on underneath. I haven't got the badge covered up, so I have to keep this on for the moment. Right, it is feed the boys time. I'll open the back door first because Snoop wants to go up. You going up the garden for me? Come on in, off you go. Good boys. Right, Sooty's still in here. Snoop's gone up the garden. Good boy, Soot. Have you all done? Do you want to go up the garden? Right, Sooty, go on in. Let's get you up the garden. Go on in. Off you go. Go and see. Where's he gone? Go get him. Right, let's get him a fresh drink, guys. Go on in. Go. Right, here it goes. Good boys. That's what Sooty wanted. Sooty wanted a drink. He wanted to worry about going up the garden like Snoop. Right, let's get the boys fed and then I can worry about sorting myself out. There you go. Two. Oh, lovely. There we go. Right, let's bring you a little bit closer. There you go. Perfect. Right, I think that's enough for you guys tonight. I'll split this one between the two boys tonight. Then I'll start a fresh one tomorrow. And tomorrow's Friday! Yay! Or should I say, thank God for Friday. I did say to one of the blokes yesterday, I said, gosh, a long week this week. But that was my first day. So, 2 down, 1 more to go, guys. Right, let's just spread this out between the two. Right, the boys are in, the back door's open, doesn't matter, it's mild out there, guys. It's not cold, but it was really windy. I took the boys up to an airfield for a walk. It's blowing an absolute gale. I planned my route in such a way that the wind was either behind me or to one side and not into my face, so that worked out really well. It was still windy though. Right, that's the first one. Might have to fill that water bowl up again by the sounds of it. That's Snoop. Snoop will actually empty the bowl. He'll stand there and he will drink a whole bowl of water. I don't know where he puts it. I know where it comes out. He wheezes like a horse. He stands there and he just doesn't stop wheezing. He wheezes and he wheezes and he wheezes. I think if he had a bucket, he'd fill the bucket up. All done then? Have you emptied the bowl for me yet? Right, there we go. Right, all chopped up. Beautiful. Myself, please. Right, so put some water in there. There you go, guys. I'll put a little bit of hot in, then I'll put a little bit of cold just to take it down a little bit, because otherwise Sooty won't eat it. Snoop doesn't worry about temperature, he just eats anything. Right, let me shut the door. Right, back to all shut. I'll put a little bit of cold in now. Right, are you ready for this, Sooty? Are you ready, fella? Here it comes. Turn it down a little bit. There we go. Here you go, sit. Oh, he's a good boy. Come on in. Good boy. Right, you ready for this, Snoop? Right, a little bit of cold in both of them. You can see Snoop. Can you just see him in the see him just there, look, just above my finger. Hiya. Are you so hungry? There you go. Right, that's my boys' fed. I'll just put a fresh water bowl in the back room for them. I'll put it there, you can always put your bowl in. There you go. Right, boys are sorted. It's my turn now. Good boy, Sooty. Let's all go. I just want to sit down and have a cup of tea, guys. Right, what I've got in here, guys, is a box of Mars bars. So I'm going to have a Mars bar and a cup of tea while my dinner's on. So if I can get into it, there we go. Is that better? That one. One of those. There you go, all gone. It's the cheapest way to do it, to buy them in bulk. I usually buy 48 Mars bars. It's a lot cheaper than going to the shops and buying them individually. So I've done that now for a long time. Right, sounds like Snoop's finished. Right, kettle's already boiled, so I'm going to pour myself a cup of tea. I can find my cup. And while my dinner's cooking, I can have a tea break. Stick my dinner in. straight in the air dryer, guys. The air dryer. Oh, there you go. I know. Right, here we go. It's on. That's that easy. Gives me time for a cup of tea, man. That can go there. That goes there. And I'll do some veg with it a little bit later on, not yet. Right. Oh, I just want to sit down and take my boots off, guys. That's all I want to do. 7 o'clock. Right, cup of tea's brewing. I've got ham tomorrow for my sandwiches, and I've got turkey for the boys tomorrow. Sooty's still eating. Snoop's finished. Snoop's sneaking back in. Sooty's dish is empty. He's finished a lot. Right, do you want to go back up the garden then, guys? Snoop's got to check Sooty's dish out first. Make sure he hasn't left anything in the corner. Right, here you go then, guys. Right ahead, Snoop. There you go. You going up the garden again? You going up the garden? Do you want to go up the garden? Snoop's gone. Right, Snoop's gone up the garden, so he's not worried. Right. Oh no, mustn't do that, must I? Because I've got my work shirt on. Right, here we go. Let's get these boots off. I need to sit down. I need to relax. Put my feet up. Down she comes. Oh, and we're down. Oh, guys. Oh, they've been on 12 hours. My poor feet. Oh, oh, that's better. Right, let's put my slippers on. Okay, right, I've got my slippers. Oh, that's better, lovely and cool. Right, I'll shut the back door now because Snoopy's back in. There you go. Mind yourself, please, Snoop. Thank you. Right, guys, cup of tea. We're going to puggle it and then we can go and sit down. That's better. Right, I need a spoon. Where's my spoon gone? I can sort my sandwiches out later. I'm not going to do them now. I want to just sit down. Right, that's it. All done. Right, should we go and have a sit down in the front room, Snoop? Or are you going to stay in here? Right, I've got 22 minutes left. So it'll be about 25 past 7. Then it's all done. I'll leave that end light on. And that's where the boys' water dish is, so they can find it. Right, are you going to come with me, Sooty, or are you staying in here? Let's see who follows me through. Right, that's done. Oh, guys. Oh, right, there you go. Now, what I can do, bear with me. Hang on, I've got to turn to one side when I do this. It's only temporary. Wait and see. There you go. Can you see it? That's my new April badge. I bought 2. I'm going to put them on my t-shirts, so that way it doesn't matter if I've got my fleece on or not, does it? You can see, you can't see my garage logo. I've got 2 badges and I've got 2 t-shirts, so that should work well. Right, let me get this off. It's been on all day. I know. It's hot. Is it hot? No, don't eat that. Don't eat it, Snoop. Snoop. Ah. Thank you. A bit of paper. He picked a bit of paper up off the tape. He's going to eat it. He thought it was edible. If it's on the floor, it's edible apparently. Right, there we go. Right, put that on the table. And then I can get horizontal. So I've got about 20 minutes before my dinner's ready. So I can go and put some veg on in about 10 minutes time. Ah, guys. This is lovely. I don't want to move now. Oh dear. Right, let's flick the telly on. Have my cup of tea, have my Mars bar. And if I get up about 7:15, I'll go and put my veg on. And then I can finish my dinner off. 1 day to go. 4 months, 15 days. Won't be long, guys. Not long now. Soon be there. Right, I'm going to sign out, guys. Put this video on for you. It's been 16 minutes long, this one. So I'll pop this on for you and I shall speak to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.